In an overnight ceremony in the capital, Bridgetown, Dame Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Good night, good evening, wherever you are. It's night where I'm at, and I decided I have to talk about this topic. Barbados becomes a republic. Guys, how big of a deal is that? That's such a big deal. I'm so proud of Barbados. Such a tiny island. They're now a republic. They made the big step and become a republic. Whew, that's great. Another thing I want to talk about in this topic is the migration rate in Jamaica. So guys, I did a video of emigration rate in Switzerland the other day, and lo and behold, I found an article on the Jamaican Star. Again, they're like my news feed, kind of a bad news feed, but it's useful. And they were talking about the number of Jamaicans leaving Jamaica and the brain drain. Guys, we'll get into all this and more after the commercial break. In an overnight ceremony in the capital, Bridgetown, Dame Sandra Mason was sworn in as president. The Prince of Wales and Barbadian singer Rihanna attended the event, which coincided with the country's 55th anniversary of independence. Guys, what greater news! And this is from the BBC. BBC.com. You can find this article, and they announce that Barbados has become a republic. So in layman's term, what that means is the Queen no longer heads the state or the country of Barbados, and it is now a republic and has a president who is a citizen of Barbados. There's a lot more to it in terms of parliament and the system and the structure, which I will leave to the professionals to explain. But in layman terms, what it is, there's no monarch. The monarch is gone, and the Queen no longer is the head of state in Barbados, and now it is a citizen of Barbados who is the head of state. Dame Sandra Mason. And she said something in her speech that I want to share with you guys because I found it so touching. Because of how our story in the Caribbean started, how Barbados was known as the hub for the transatlantic slave trade, you know, and for her to say this piece is so, it was so rightly put, I can say. And it reads, Vessel Republic Barbados has set sail on her maiden voyage. May she weather all storms and land our country and citizens safely on the horizons and shores which are ahead of us. It's beautifully said. I wish you guys all the best, and I hope that my country, Jamaica, will do the same soon. Another thing to acknowledge is that Rihanna, the pop star Rihanna, has been honored as a national hero. I find that to be very honorable, that they would honor her while she's still alive. Beautifully done. But I'm not gonna pretend. I saw the articles and I was looking, and even though I was reading and I didn't want to get distracted, I mean, Rihanna could have, I don't want to impose on her wearing a bra, but I mean, those things were poking, and I was like, oh my, I was distracted, and I'm a woman. I can just imagine the poor men. They're not as perverted as I am, but no, those boobs were distracting me. Like, you're being honored as a national hero, and you know, it's just like, pew! Anyways, I think I'm going overboard with that. Anyways, but yes, I'm happy for her. I'm proud of her. Honor her while she's alive. That's beautiful. Now for my country, congratulations again, Barbados. Now for my country, guys, I'm gonna read this. This one is from the Jamaica Observer.
Where is it? Dun, dun, dun. We can't talk to save my life.
Alright, so actually this is not from the Jamaican Star, it's from Jamaica Observer. May I get myself in a trouble. Alright, high migration numbers as more Jamaicans take off. Almost 270,000 more people have left Jamaica. In comparison to those who have chosen to return and foreigners who choose to move to the island over 18 years period. According to the data provided by the Statistical Institute of Jamaica, Jamaica's net migration number amounted to 269,991 from 2002 to 2019. Coral Coy, Director General of the Statistical Institute of Jamaica, told the Jamaica Observer that net migration is the difference between the number of immigrants, returning residents, okay, I can't see anymore. Basically, if we are not careful, Jamaica will be empty soon. Well, I thought of addressing this particular migration issue because I've migrated. I think to myself, why did I migrate in the first place? So for my first reason was for tertiary level education. Not that it wasn't available in Jamaica, but I wanted to explore, I wanted to see something different, and I wanted to do agriculture in University of the West Indies, which is only offered the bachelor's degree in agriculture in University of the West Indies, St. Augustine, which is Trinidad and Tobago. So that was my first reason for migrating, right? And then, as you know, I met my husband and then we moved to Switzerland. But I oftentimes think of going back home, to be honest. I'm told many times by family and friends, a lot of my family have encouraged me to come back home because there are opportunities, and my friends. I have a friend here who is on YouTube, All Things Della. She recently returned back to Jamaica, and I was sharing with her my plans and stuff, and she said, yeah, there are opportunities here and so on and so forth. And so there are opportunities, but I'm also discouraged by other people. Some other people you're living in a first world country, why would you want to come back to Jamaica? It's scary. It is really scary. I've left Jamaica now 11 years going on 12 years. And it's really scary to say, okay, I'm going to pack up everything and I'm going to go back home. As Jamaicans, we tend to have this foreign mind. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. We tend to have this foreign mind and we think that abroad is better. Wherever abroad, we think it's better financially. And so many Jamaicans leave Jamaica with that expectation, with that mindset of going to make money. It can happen, of course it can happen, but I also think we can make money or make a living in Jamaica. It's hard, but when you have the experience, when you migrate, you get some experience outside and you realize what you have or what you had at home and what you're getting outside, depending on where you are. Then a lot of people sing different songs. So I'm not surprised that the migration rate in Jamaica is high, simply because there are some opportunities that are not available in Jamaica that are available in first world countries. That's true. I rambled on a lot a while ago. Sorry guys, sorry about that. But I would like to hear from you guys. Why do you think that the migration rate in Jamaica is so high? Why do you think that so many Jamaicans are leaving Jamaica? I follow a lot of Jamaicans online and on Instagram, and I see people making progress. People are doing their business, they're advancing themselves, especially Jamaicans who go abroad to study and come and go back home, they have a different perspective. They have a different mindset, you can say, yeah? And they use this to their advantage, providing services that are not available in Jamaica and creating a business out of that, or creating a product that is not available in Jamaica and creating a business out of that. And I think for people who want to go back, this is how we have to think. I think this is going more into returning home than actually migrating. But yeah, let me know what you think. What's causing the migration rate so high? I know people are going for jobs, that's for sure. The crime, it's a factor also. I'm not gonna lie. The crime is a factor and people are scared. And so these are the two main things I can think about, jobs and crime. If you have something else, let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. I rambled a lot in this video. It's okay, I'm just expressing myself and I want to hear from you guys as well. So once again, congratulations to Barbados on becoming Republic of Barbados. And yeah, I'll catch you in another one. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.